Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But how do the cicadas know that 17 years underground have passed? No one knows for sure, but scientists speculate that periodical cicadas have an internal molecular clock that allows them to sense the passage of time through changes in the tree sap that they eat.
Let's help you make your mark.
The cicada nymph's emergence from their underground homes is tied primarily to temperature. After their 17 years are up, the cicadas wait for the perfect temperature before making the journey to the surface. When the soil about 8 inches, 20 centimeters, underground reaches 64 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 degrees Celsius.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.